would the vaccinations will put an end to COVID-19. It's been more than a year now and we all are wondering when would this pandemic will end. In this video, we'll throw some light on the new developments of vaccinations in India, new variants of coronavirus and other related progressions. In a recent experiment, the NIV virologist team found B161 variant of coronavirus, which is found during the second wave, to be more infectious among animals in comparison to the previous variants of COVID, and hence they concluded that the new variant of coronavirus is more dangerous for the humans as well. The new variants of coronavirus are causing a lot of worry around the world, especially in India, which is undergoing a deadly phase in this second wave. The new virus is spreading faster than the previous variants, and the country have reported several deaths in the last few days. And the trend of mutation is also different this time. Earlier during the first wave, highest number of cases reported in a day was 98,000 cases, but in the last 7 days we have seen a trend of 4 lakh positive cases on an average per day, and this shows that this new variant is spreading much faster than the previous variant. The new variants of COVID spread a lot quicker than the previous variants of COVID. Let's take a look at what's the road ahead for vaccination in India. On May 1st, 2021, the government officially began a vaccination drive for the 18 to 45-year-old people, but it was hardly carried out only at a few vaccination centers due to the shortage of vaccine. And this shortage of vaccine led to a delay in the rollout for 18 to 45-year-old vaccination program. Also, people are struggling to get their second jab on time. The government at the center claims that the vaccination is going at a steady pace and India is the fastest country to vaccinate more than 17 crore people. But the question arises that are these efforts by the government enough to save a large number of people dying from COVID every single day? Although the government also claims that the production of vaccines has been ramped up and Sputnik V, the Russian vaccine, will also be available from the second week of June, so we can expect the vaccination in large numbers in the upcoming days. The vaccination priority is adults right now, but what about children? What about the vaccination for children? Is it coming and how long will it take? These must be the common question in almost every parent's mind, as the speculation about third wave says that it is going to be more dangerous for the children. So the need to prioritize vaccination for children should also be a top priority for the center. Though the recovery rate is rising, but at the same time the death toll is also rising. With no vaccination slots available in the CoWIN portal, people are struggling to get their vaccinations appointment on time. India is going through a rough phase during this second wave of coronavirus, and out-of-the-box efforts are required to put an end to this painful scenario. This is Akshay Srivastav reporting for ITMI. Thank you for watching.